In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the visibility of a repository in your GitHub account. First, you have to log into github.com with your account and you will be landed to your dashboard. And from the dashboard, from the top right corner, you have to click on your profile and you have to go to your profile. And from your profile, this is your profile and all of the informations. And from here, you can see from the menu, you can see there is an overview and there is our repositories. You have to click on repositories, and from the repositories, this is a demo repository I have created, and you can see that it is a private repository. So the private repository means that I'm the owner, so I am the only one who can make any changes to this repository, and this repository will only be visible to myself, right? So it will not be visible to any other person on the internet or any other person on using the GitHub. So it is not visible by anyone. It will be only be visible by myself, and I will be only one who can make changes into this repository. I will click on it. This is a repository and all of your code files and all of the things will be listed here. And from here, you can just select settings in the settings of this repository, and you just see all of the options here. But you just have to scroll down a little bit, scroll down here, all the options. And from this is a danger zone, right? From this, you can see this is option change visibility, change repository visibility. It says that the repository is currently private. If I want to make it to public repository, then what should I do? I should select this option change visibility, and it says like change to public. And when I click on it, it says that make sure that I want to make it public. I want to make this repository public, and I will just click on it. And it says that code will be visible to everyone who can visit the github.com, and push and pull requests will be made by everyone. Anyone can fork your repository and all of the other things. These are the terms written on here. I will be explaining to you later. And you just have to click I have read and understand these effects, and you have to click on this. And again, it says make this repository public, and you just have to click on this, and here you go. Your repository is become public. And how you're gonna confirm it? You have to just scroll down again, and from this danger zone, you can see it changed repository visibility, and this is written here. This repository is currently public. So if this repository is a public, so it can be easily seen by anyone on the github.com. Anyone who you can share link with this. This is the short tutorial that how you can change the visibility. Either I have made this repository public. If you want to make it private, then the steps are the same. I hope you understand it.